it's not an issue kuda chumuti. Look at it this way. I probably feel our party is at its weakest right now. Last election, Echivaga win 300,000 votes. And when you look at the demography, Yawanaga voted as ZANU-PF. It was more of the old guard, you know, Chembere, Madzimai and everything, right? People who are 40 plus. Now, think about it, could over the next 5 years, how many of those people will have died? Do you realize that every elderly person an offer on any given day is a ZANU-PF supporter? Because chances are 9 times out of 10, Munuesa Ariku over 50 years of age is ZANU-PF. And then when you look on the other end of the spectrum, all the new voters, Ma youth, and the way things are in Zimbabwe, chances are 9 times out of 10, they vote MDC. So if you have a situation in Kuti right now, the way our party was structured, it was structured in such a way that Munonzi Muno voted a first secretary at the Politburo level. But first secretary I voted because Munongo enda ku Congress Mongonzi. Who's going to stand up? No one is going to stand up. And then you have a situation that person anenganzi a first secretary. Anengani absolute power could choose at the entire Politburo. Now, that system works kanari munwenyu. That's why you find good when we were now against Mugabe and we were on the other side. Taona moto. But now, can you imagine? Good, right now, yes, we're happy because Bana Mnanga and because Mnanga Gwamunuedu, we feel good. They are sort of like our cronies. We're good. We can go into any office and get what we want. Now, Chifunga good, like by Poetica, right now, succession is not clear. If by any chance right now worst case scenario can you tell me who takes over the party? Who's going to be the next person? Is there a process?